Hi, I'm Pietro Gagliano from Countercheck. As we all know, the trafficking of counterfeit goods ordered online is growing exponentially. Today, I want to share with you some figures about one specific industry, the imaging supplies industry. In this industry, there are products that are highly counterfeited, such as ink cartridges, toners, and similar consumable goods. The first figure I want to share with you today is that in 2022 only, the imaging supplies counterfeit market was generating more than 3 billion euro revenue. Moreover, consumers that are buying these counterfeit products, they are most of the times not aware about the consequences that these products have on their own existing hardware. Indeed, by using these products, they are reducing the life expectancy of their own hardware, and with it, the perception of the quality of the hardware itself. Therefore, it's most likely that these kind of buyers, when they have to buy a new hardware in the future, will buy hardware from a different company. So for the reason I just mentioned, removing these counterfeit goods from circulation, making sure they will not be delivered to the end customer, is now a top priority for all the manufacturers in this industry. We just stopped a bunch of these kind of products. So one step at a time, we will be able to fully protect brands and the end consumers. Stay tuned for more.